Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to create this cartoon character step by step tutorial. So let's get started. I have taken this piece of paper and its size is 4 inch and by 3.5 inch, and this black ballpoint pen. Let's start. You can draw with pencil also if you are not comfortable with pen. We first start with the top portion of the fruit through which it is attached to the branch. It is a picture of a brinjal, an animated cartoon brinjal. We can also consider it as a fruit of the plant. So we first draw the topmost portion of that fruit. Now we are drawing the topmost crown of the brinjal. All the three shades we are drawing. You can practice it carefully, watching it, and start practicing it, trying to draw. Now let's draw the bottom portion. Draw these two straight lines like this. Just keep a cut between the line and join these 2 points with an arc like this. Let's draw the bottom portion. Just keep a point here and join this point by the bottom point with an arc like this. Again leave a cut. This will be the leg of our character in future. Again join this point like that. Draw an arc. Okay. Let's draw the finger. This is 1, 2, 3. A little curve. And join this with our opening that we have left previously. This is one of the hand of our character, and let's draw one leg. Like, just draw an elliptical curve like this. Just draw another leg. Draw a line like this, and again an elliptical curve. This is our second leg. Now we are going to draw another hand of the character. Just draw a line like this. We are drawing fingers, 1, 2, the third finger and the fourth one. That's an animated character, so we can draw as we want. Okay, now let's draw eyebrows. This is the second eyebrow. Now let's draw eye. A big elliptical egg-shaped circle and a little bit of small C and U. Another circle joining that bigger one. Again a small C and a U. These are the eyes. You can do the hatching of the pupil of the eyes. It will create a brighter and shinier eyes. Let's draw a nose. A downward C, opposite C, and teeth. Let's draw cube shapes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the teeth. Okay, let's do some coloring. I have taken these 3 colors. This is green for the top portion, top crown, and I have taken a little bit red and blue. You can mix these 2 colors, red and blue, to make purple like texture, like as brinjal have. or you can choose any color with whatever you like. I have taken watercolor, but you can choose any other color also, like wax color, pencil color, whatever color you like to do. Let's do the green color on the top crown of our fruit. This is the top crown of brinjal, as it is usually have green color. You can choose to do wax color or pencil color, whatever comfortable for you. If you like the video, then please subscribe, and if you want me to draw something that you like, then can you write it in comment box below. You can change the color and make your own character. This is a cartoon character, so there is no certain rules. You can choose more brighter color and draw it as you want, as you like. If you want to highlight certain things, then you can also use pen shading like this. For eyes, you can do certain shadings of pen that it will highlight those portions, like as we are doing in nose. You can little bit do some hatchings with pencils also, some pencil shading if you like to do. There are various options you can try. You can make it some more colorful. Little bit of red we are adding. You can use multiple colors to make it colorful character. Let's do some shading with pen, some hatching with pen. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.